Alright, let's explore the Huawei Band 9. Let's have the unboxing of this new fitness tracker from the company Huawei. So we have here, as you can see, a very simple packaging. Okay, on the side we have here the health app that is available for iPhone and the Android platform. And at the back we have some features here. So skin-friendly strap, 8.9mm ultra thin design, auto adjustable brightness, automatic blood oxygen monitoring, continuous heart rate monitoring, scientific sleep management. We do have here 100 workout modes, long battery life, and fast charging, and of course it is compatible with Android and iOS. Here is the UI for the Huawei Band 9. Okay, so we have here our dynamic watch face. On top we have the quick settings, brightness display, flashlight. On the left side we have the weather. On the bottom part, notifications. And on the right side we have this all-in-one dashboard for health. We have sports monitoring, sleep monitoring, and automatic activity tracking. And for the different menus of the Huawei Band, okay, let's go to the top. We have the workout records. We have activity records, sleep monitoring. We also have the heart rate, blood oxygen monitoring, stress monitoring. We also have breathing exercises, notifications, music control, weather, calendar, alarm, timer, stopwatch, flashlight, find phone, and settings. On the settings, so we have watch face section, custom cards. Okay, we have vibration and brightness display, do not disturb mode, sleep mode, pin, notifications. Also have one, settings for sports, as well as for the heart rate. So as you can see, it is a pretty loaded wearable, okay, packed with health and fitness function. If I'm not mistaken, when it comes to sports, it has at least 100 sports function. Okay, so let's check. So we have here outdoor run. Okay, so we have an outdoor run sports, indoor run, outdoor walk, indoor walk. We also have indoor cycle, pool swimming, jump rope, elliptical machine, rower, and other sports. Again, it has at least 100 sports function that is available for the Huawei Band 9. As you can see here, you have an option to remove or adjust these sports. Checking on the other features of the wearable, the fitness tracker is also preloaded with several watch faces. So we have here the Super Watch, Classy, okay, Women Fun, Sporty, and other design for the watch face. It also supports custom watch face. Okay, so additional feature for this wearable is the health monitoring. So let's check on the health monitoring. We have here the heart rate. So you can see the highs and lows of your heart rate, as well as the 7-day record on the fitness tracker. Okay, for more details, you can check it on the Huawei Health Support App. Okay, then next we also have, I think we have blood oxygen. Yes, we do have a blood oxygen monitoring. Can monitor your blood oxygen in real time. Statistics and graphics also available on the support app. You also have a stress monitoring, breathing exercises. You also have a music control. You can adjust the volume here. We also have a calendar, timer, and other options for the wearable. Okay, let's see. We have here custom cards. We have the brightness adjustment, automatic, tap to wake, and screen on. For the watch face, we have support for always on display. And of course, for the cards or the tile, you can adjust it, arrange the position. Okay, so far the wearable is a lightweight fitness tracker from Huawei Band 9 with affordable price.